दोस्तों अब एग्जांपल नंबर 6 को सॉल्व करेंगे। इन द फिगर रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल 7 सेंटीमीटर एंड मेजर ऑफ आर्क एमबीएन आर्क 60 डिग्री है, तो मेजर ऑफ सेंट्रल एंगल इज आल्सो 60 डिग्री। फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल। वी हैव फर्स्ट राइट गिवन, क्या क्या दिया है वह पहले यहां पे राइट करो। रेडियस ऑफ सर्कल is equal to 7 सेंटीमीटर is given here। उसके बाद यहाँ पे मेजर आर्क MBN is equal to 60 degree, therefore theta is equal to also 60 degree। okay, this is the radius of the circle is equal to 7 centimeter is given here। okay, first we can find the area of the circle। area of circle is equal to pi r square। okay, this is the formula, therefore putting the given values, area of circle is equal to pi, value of pi is given here, no, then write here 3.14 into r is 7 into 7, we can write here value of 22 upon 7 because this 7 get cancelled here, then multiply is equal to 22 into 7 is equal to 7 to the 14, 7 to the 14 and 115 centimeter square। okay, finally we can write here area of the circle is equal to 154 centimeter square। this is equation number first। then now we can find second, measure arc OMBN, area of sector OMBN, that is minor sector, OMBN is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square। this is the formula। okay, then putting the given values, this is the second point, area of sector is equal to theta 60 degree divided by 360 into 22 upon 7, r is the 7 into 7। okay, this 7 get cancel here, then now this 0 get also cancel, 6 1 are 6, 6 6 are 36। okay, then now 2 3 are 6, 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2, then now here 11 multiplied by 7, that is 77 upon 3 is equal to, okay, 3 2s are 6, 1 put here, okay, 3 5s are 15, 2 remain here, then 0 we take point here, 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18, 2 0, 3 6 are 18, that is 22.66, approximately we take here 25.6 च्या ऐवजी आपण लिहिणार 7, okay, centimeter square। okay, finally we can write here area of the sector OMBN is equal to 25.7 centimeter square. Then now third answer, होल सर्कल में से ए माइनर सेक्टर माइनस करेंगे तो मेजर सेक्टर मिल जाएगा. दैट इज एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर OMCN is equal to area of circle minus area of sector OMBN. Okay, putting the given values, area of circle 154 minus 25.7, सब्ट्रैक्शन करो उत्तर मिल जाएगा. 154 माइनस 25.7 सब्ट्रैक्शन करो मिल जाएगा आंसर कितना मिलेगा 128.3 centimeters square. This is the answer of third question. Write down or screenshot. Thank you. दोस्तों अब एग्जांपल नंबर 7 सॉल्व करेंगे. In figure, radius is 3.4 centimeter. Perimeter of sector PABC is given 12.8 centimeter. Find area of sector PABC. First we can write given here radius is equal to 3.4 centimeter. Perimeter of sector PABC is equal to radius PA plus length of the arc ABC plus radius PC. This is the formula of perimeter of the closed figure. Then now putting the given values, area of sector PABC is equal to 12.8 is equal to radius PA 3.4 plus length of the arc ABC plus PC is 3.4. Then now this 3.4 plus this 3.4, 12.8 as it is, 6.8 plus length of the arc ABC, length of the arc ABC. Okay, we can find the value of length of the arc. This goes towards LHS, it becomes minus because here plus. Therefore length of the arc ABC is equal to 12.8 minus 6.8. That is, finally we can write here length of the arc ABC is equal to 6 centimeter. Then now we have the relation between area of the sector PABC is equal to length of the arc ABC into radius upon 2. Okay, this is the formula. Putting the value, length of the arc ABC is 6 into radius 3.4. Okay, 3.4 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. That is 3 into 3.14. Okay, finally we can write here answer. Area of the sector PABC is equal to 3 multiplied by 4 centimeter square. 4 threes are 12. 1 by hand 3.4. Sorry, extremely 3.4 है. 3 fours are 12. 3 threes are 9 and 1 10. पॉइंट के बाद एक डिजिट है, एक डिजिट आएगा, 10.2 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर इज द फाइनल आंसर. राइट डाउन और स्क्रीनशॉट माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. थैंक यू. नमस्कार दोस्तों, अब एग्जांपल नंबर 8 सॉल्व करना है. इन फिगर O इज द सेंटर ऑफ द सेक्टर. एंगल ROQ is 60, MOQ also 60, OR is equal to 7 centimeter and OM is equal to 21 centimeter. First we can write given here angle ROQ is equal to angle MON is equal to 60 degree. Radius R1 is equal to 7 centimeter and R2 is equal to OM is equal to 21 centimeter. That is R1 here, OR. R1 is equal to OR is equal to 7 centimeter. We have length of the arc. Length of the arc RXQ is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. This is the formula. Then now putting the given values. Length of the arc RXQ is equal to, value of theta is 60 upon 360 into 2 into pi, 22 upon 7 into R7. R1 is 7 here. This 7 get cancelled. This 0 is also cancelled. 6 1s are 6, 6 6s are 36. That is here 2 multiplied by 22, that is 44 upon 6. Then simplify here. 6 1s are 6, 6 7s are 42 to put here, then 0. 7 3s are, sorry, 6 3s are 18 to put here also, that is 7.3. Okay, that is finally we can write here length of the arc, length of the arc RXQ is equal to 7.3 centimeter. Similarly, we can find the arc MYN. Now, secondly, we can find here length of the arc MYN is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi R2, here R1. Okay, putting the given values, this is the formula, this is the rough work. Putting the given values, value of theta is 60 upon 360 into 2 into 22 upon 7 and R2 is 21. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. This 0 get cancelled. 6 1s are 6, 6 6s are 36. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, these 2 get cancelled. That is here 22. Length of last, finally we can write here length of the arc MYN, length of the arc MYN is equal to 22 centimeter is the final answer. Write down or screenshot. Thank you. नमस्कार दोस्तों, अब एग्जाम्पल नंबर 9 को सॉल्व करेंगे. इफ एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर PABC, PABC का एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, गिवन एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर PABC is equal to 154 centimeter square. and radius of the circle, radius of the circle is equal to 14 centimeter. Find the angle APC. This angle theta is to be calculated. Area of sector PABC is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. This is the formula. Then now putting the given values. Area of sector is given here 154 is equal to theta upon 360, pi की value 22 upon 7, r दिया हुआ है 14, 14 into 14. Okay, 7 1 जा 7, 7 2 जा 14. Okay, then now 2 1 we can find here. This terms goes towards LHS. Okay, then now theta is equal to 154 multiplied by 360 divided by 22 into 2 into 14. Okay, solve this example. 2 7s are 14, 2 7s are 14, 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, 1 put here, 2 7s are 14. Then now 11 2s are 22, 11 7s are 77. Also here 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 put here, 2 8s are 16, this 0 put here. Then now 2 1s are 2, this 7 get cancelled, 2 9s are 18, this 0 put here. That is theta is equal to 90 degree. This is the first answer. Angle APC. Therefore, we can write here measure angle APC is equal to theta is equal to 90 degree. We have the relation between area of sector and length of the arc. We have the relation. Okay, length area of sector PABC is equal to length of the arc ABC into radius divided by 2. This is the formula. Then now putting the given values. Area of sector PABC is 154 is equal to length of the arc ABC into radius is given here 14 upon 2. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. This 7 goes towards LHS, it becomes divide. That is length of the arc ABC is equal to 154 divided by 7. Simplify. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 1 put here, 7 2s are 14, also 7 2s are 14. That is length of arc ABC, length of the arc ABC is equal to 22 centimeter is the final answer. Write down or screenshot. Very simple example. Thank you. नमस्कार दोस्तों, चलो एग्जाम्पल नंबर 10 का स्टडी करेंगे। बहुत इजी है। देखो दोस्तों, रेडियस ऑफ अ सेक्टर ऑफ अ सर्कल इज 7, रेडियस इज 7 सेंटीमीटर। If measure of arc of the sector, that is theta. Answer for first question. First is given here, measure of arc of the sector, that is length is equal to theta is equal to 30 degree and r is equal to 7 centimeter. We have the formula, area of sector OAXB. Please look at the figure. OAXB is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. This is the equation number first, and also we say that this is the formula. Okay. Then now putting the given values. Area of sector is equal to theta is equal to 30 degree upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into radius 7 into 7. Then now simplify here. This 7 get cancel. This 0 also cancel. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Then now 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. 11 multiplied by 7, that is 77 upon 6. Okay. 6 1s are 6. 6 1s are 6. 1 put here. 6 2s are 12. 5 remains here. Okay. Then take 0. Take here point. 6 8s are 48. 2 take here. Take 0. 6 3s are 18. Also 2 and so on. That is, finally we can write here answer, area of sector OAXB, area of sector OAXB is equal to 12.83 centimeter square. This is the answer for first question. This is the rough work, my dear friends. Then now take theta is equal to 200. Now second question, if theta is equal to 210 degree and radius is equal to also 7. Putting these values in equation number 1. Putting these values, area of sector OAXB is equal to theta 210 360 into pi 22 upon 7 r square, that is 7 into 7. Simplify carefully. This 7 get cancel. This 0 also cancel. Okay. Then test of 3 right here. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Okay. Then now here 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2. Okay. Then now remaining term 7 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 7 is equal to 7 7s are 49 multiplied by 11 divided by 6. Okay. Then now here simplify. 6 1s are 6, 6 8s are 48. 1 put here, take 0, take point. 6 1s are 6. Okay. Then 4, take also 0 and so on. Okay. That is 8.1 into 11. Okay. Then is equal to 11 1s are 11, 1 by hand. 11 8s are 88. 89. 1 plus. Okay. Point 1 here 1, that is 89.1. Okay. 89.1. Approximately we say that area, approximately we can write here actually 4 and so on. इथपर्यंत जरी केलं तरी चालेल. ओके. एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर OAXB is equal to, or we say that approximately 89.1 centimeter square. Okay. Then now we can solve the third question. If answer for third question, if theta is equal to 3 right angles, means 3 into 90 is equal to 270 degree. Okay. R is equal to 7 degree. Sorry, 7 centimeter. Sorry, extremely. Putting these values in equation number first. Area of sector OAXB is equal to theta 270 upon 360 into pi 22 upon 7 r square 7 into 7. Simplify carefully. This 7 get cancel. This 0 also cancel. Okay. Then now 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. Okay. Then now okay, 3 9s are 27. Also 3 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Also here 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Remaining terms 3 into 11 into 7 divided by 2. Okay. Then now 3 7s are 21 multiplied by 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. That is 5.5. Okay. Then now is equal to, multiply carefully, 5.5, rough work here, 5.5 multiplied by 21, 5 5 as it is 110, 5 5 1 1, that is 1 digit here, then 1 11 115.5 is the final answer. 115.5 centimeter square. This is the rough work. Okay. We can write carefully, my dear friends. Area of the sector OAXB, area of sector OAXB is equal to 115.5 centimeter square. This is the answer for third question. This is the answer for second question, and this is the answer for first question. Okay. Is it understand, my dear friends? Please write down carefully or screenshot. Thank you, my dear friends. Write down or screenshot, please.